Checkpoint 4. You wish to increase the coefficient of performance of an ideal refrigerator. You can do so by running the cold chamber at a slightly higher temperature, running the cold chamber at a slightly lower temperature, moving the unit to a slightly warmer room, or moving it to a slightly cooler room. The magnitude of the temperature changes are to be same in all four cases. List the changes according to the resulting coefficient of performance greatest first. So before that, let's rewrite the formula for coefficient of performance of an ideal refrigerator. So coefficient of performance of an ideal refrigerator is given by the rule Tc over Th minus Tc, where Tc is the temperature at the cold reservoir, Th is the temperature at the hot reservoir. So if you want to increase the coefficient of performance, they gave four important points. So first of all, let's read the point one by one. Then we can give the answer for the coefficient of performance later. So let's start with the first. How we can increase? So they gave four conditions. So what is the not condition? 4 points. So what is the first point? Running the cold chamber at a slightly higher temperature. That means cold temperature. So they mentioned if you increase the cold temperature, we can achieve a good coefficient of performance. That means for the first part, what they mentioned, to increase the Tc value. When you increase Tc value, what will happen to the denominator? If Tc will be increased, your Th minus Tc will be dropped, right? So Th minus Tc will decrease. So what is the result? When your denominator will be decreased, the result is we can get the coefficient of performance will increase. So this is the explanation for the first point. So that means by increasing the coefficient of performance, we can increase the cold chamber temperature higher. Let's come for the second point. What is given in the second point? Running the cold chamber at a slightly lower temperature. So that means this time we are going to decrease the value. When you decrease this value, what will happen? The denominator Th minus Tc will increase. So you can see the top you have the smallest value, bottom you have the highest value. By that, what is the result? The result we are going to get for this condition, your coefficient of performance will be decrease. Clear? Let's come for third point. Moving the unit to a slightly warmer room. That means in the third case, we have to focus on the temperature of the hot reservoir. So we are going to increase the value of Th. If you increase Th, what will happen? Your Th minus Tc also increase. So what will happen? Your Tc is the smallest value. Th is, when you increase Th, the denominator part will be increased. So what will be the result? The result for this case, your coefficient of performance again decrease. Clear? So let's come for the last point. Moving it to slightly cooler room. So that means we are going to decrease the Th value. Decrease the Th value. So you have to read very carefully. Moving it to a slightly cooler room means we have to make our hot temperature reservoir to decrease. When you decrease this value, what will happen? Your denominator Th minus Tc also drop. So that means it will also decrease. What is the result? The result for this case, your COP will increase. But this time you can see you have two answer, the coefficient of performance will increase, and two answer we got as decrease. But we have to give the correct answer according to the greatest value. So let's focus on the first one. So the first one, you can see when you increase the value of Tc, really the coefficient of performance of the refrigerator will be really greater value. You will get highest value. So that means when you compare with the D part, the first part is more applicable. So we have to give the priority for the first part. The second highest is D part. Now we have to rank for B and C. So for B and C, if you want to see out of this B and C, the B will more good than the C part. Why? Because here we are decreasing the TC value, but here we are increasing the TC value. So out of this will be little bit better than the second one. So that means your B part is the third rank, and then finally your C part will be the last rank. So in this order, when you follow, you can increase the coefficient of performance value. So that means A will be the first, D will be the second, and B will be the third, and C will be the fourth. Clear? That's it. Thank you.